Hello, welcome. My name is Laura Georges, and I'm going to show you how to view your schedule. As most of you know, the My Schedule app is within the Pulse platform. And as you can see here, based on my login information, I have other applications that are also available to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the My Schedule application and how you can see your schedule. So I'm going to tap the My Schedule badge. When I do that, I'm presented with my schedule. Now I'll see here up to 2 weeks of schedule. This is all dependent on the published schedule that my manager just performed in the back office. So you can see here I have my schedule broken out by week 1 and by week 2. And again, this is dependent on how many weeks the manager has already published. So I'm going to walk you through some things here. So the first thing that we're going to look at is, you can see in the gray bar it says week of 120 for store 1. So when I click on that, what this is going to do is it's going to present me with my manager's notes. Now if I'm an employee that works at more than one location, as I do in this example, I'm going to see the schedule notes from each of my individual managers. Going back to the schedule, I'm on the all schedule view. And what that means is I'm going to see all of my shifts for the days, whether I'm working or not. Now I can click on the scheduled filter at the bottom middle. And when I do that, it's going to narrow down just to the days that I'm working. So it just makes the list a little bit shorter to look through. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the color coding, and then be sure to watch one of the other videos to learn more about posting and picking up shifts. But what I want to show you is a couple of things. Notice that on Wednesday, January 22nd, I have a shift that shows up with the site number 2 in teal. And that just means that that's a shift at my borrowed store. So I may work at store number 1 for most of the time during the week, but on that specific day I have to report to another location. The color coding, the yellow that you see here, could be a shift that I've posted and I'm just waiting for someone to pick it up. Now when you see a shift that shows up in red, like that first one on Tuesday, it could be that I posted it, but then either it expired because nobody asked to work it, or it could be that my manager decided to decline it. Again, be sure to watch the other videos for more detail. Let's go back to the all view. Again, pretty intuitive to just view my schedule. I see all my shifts here up to 2 weeks. I'm going to drill into one of the shifts so I can show you a little bit more detail. Let's look at Friday the 31st. I'm working from 9 a.m. to 2 and I'm working as a greeter. Now the reason why I selected this shift is because I wanted to point out that my job code is really a team member, but for this specific day, my manager has assigned me to be a greeter. So I know that I need to wear a specific uniform for that specific day and that shift. So it really helps to communicate certain things about where I need to report to. This is a shift detail screen. Again, just gives me a little bit more info on the shift. One of the things that I wanted to point out is the address. Notice that the address is in blue. So this is kind of neat because at any time if I'm traveling or I'm on vacation and I'm trying to drive back to work and I'm not really sure how to get back to my store location, I can simply click on the address and it's actually going to open up my Maps application, and it's going to give me directions from where I am right now to get to my store location. So pretty neat. So that's a little bit about how to view your schedule. I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. So please do watch the other videos to see more about posting and picking up shifts. Thank you and have a great day.